Scott. Hello, Samir. I was reading a book yesterday when I came to a very strange word. I didn't know its meaning. Could you help me? Of course, I'll help. What word is it? It is hoodie, Samir. I am sorry, I don't know its meaning as well. Let's go and ask some people about it. Excuse me, what is the meaning of hoodie?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know, maybe something about hood?
Hoodie? No.
I don't know.
No. I don't know.
No.
Hoodie, maybe this? Hood? Hood?
So, those people didn't know the meaning either. What should we do? I think we should ask a teacher or look it up in a dictionary. That is a good idea, thanks. Do you know the best dictionary used nowadays? I think the best dictionary is Oxford, right? I think so. Do you think that dictionary includes all the words? Of course, not all the words, but they update it from time to time, adding new words. Let's go to Oxford University and ask a specialist about that. Good idea. I will go with you. After 2 hours, somewhere in the university. Excuse me, how do you update and identify new words to add to the Oxford Dictionary?
The Oxford English Dictionary uses 3 methods to try and identify new words. We use the corpus, we use the reading programme, and we use the internet.
What do we mean by the corpus?
This is a collection of words from a language, from newspapers, novels, even song lyrics. And they can all be collected together so that people can then search it to try and find new words. I think the Oxford English Corpus currently has about 2 billion words, so it's extremely large.
What about the reading program? Why was it important?
The reading programme is run in Oxford, and we have a number of readers from throughout the world who are reading novels, newspapers, things like that, to try to find new words. Once they've found these new words, we can put them into an electronic database, which we call incomings, and then editors are able to search through that to try and find new words to put into the dictionary.
Is the internet of a value to the updating of the dictionary?
We use the internet as the internet has hundreds of databases which we can search again to look for new words. It's also very useful because it will tell us how many people are using the word to make sure that lots of people are using the word. We can also use it to try and maybe find the earliest example of a word in English.
I am sorry, but what do we mean by hoodie?
In the dictionary, published in 1989, it isn't there. But today it's frequently heard in conversations, seen in newspapers, and used on TV and in films. The dictionary is online. Just type in the word, and there it is. A hooded sweatshirt, fleece, or other garment. A young person who wears a hoodie and is typically regarded as socially disruptive.
Thank you very much. Bye.